Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Rishi and you're watching Android editing. In this video we will make a gaming thumbnail like this without using PS Touch. Now if you're a gamer and not an editor and you don't have a knowledge in editing, then PS Touch is really difficult for you. So in this video I will show you how you can make a professional gaming thumbnail without using PS Touch. We will use the applications like Pixellab for creating the text and Kinemaster for creating the background like this. And then we'll do color grading using the application Adobe Lightroom. Okay, moving on to the video, first open Kinemaster application, select the 16:9 ratio and then select the background, select the black color and then we'll change the color. Now select a dark color, you can use blue color, slightly orange and red. And I will increase the darkness. This is fine. Then quickly go to Chrome and search for texture backgrounds. Right. So here you'll get a lot of texture. You can download them and use them as overlay in your backgrounds. I'll show it right now. So first download some texture. Here you'll get the red color also, you can just download them. So yeah, it depends on you, just go through all this and see which one looks good. Alright, so coming back to Kinemaster, go and add the texture which I've downloaded. Like I'll be using this one right now. Increase the size and then move on to blending option. Now here experiment with all the options, right? Multiply, screen, just go through all the options. The darkened one is looking good right now. The darkened one is looking good. Then go back to Chrome and search for snow texture. Snow texture overlay. So you'll get this snow like overlay. Just download them. And in the description box I will give a link for particle video. You can use the video instead of the image. Alright, so after downloading, go back to Kinemaster and add the image or video. I'll be using this video clip. I'll give the link in description. And then go to blending and set the blending to screen. Or just try all of them and you will understand that screen or the lighten option works fine here. Slightly decrease the opacity. Alright, now we have to add a PUBG HD wallpaper, right? So go to Chrome and search for PUBG HD wallpapers. And you will get here so many wallpapers. Just find out which website gives you the HD quality. Like this website is really good. wallpaperflare.com. So just download the image from here, and here you can also select the resolution of the image. I will select the 1280 into 720p and then just download the image. As you can see, the quality is really good here. Similarly, download few more images. You cannot use the same image in all the thumbnails, so just download few more. Alright, then go back to Kinemaster and add the image. I'll be using this one right now. Increase the size and then go to blending option. Try all of them, which looks good. I think the overlay was looking good. Yeah, overlay is looking good. Then just bring the snow layer front and then you can click here and capture it. Alright, so it will be saved as a screenshot in your gallery. Okay, so before moving to the next part, let's quickly see today's featured channel.
Well, so what is up guys, it's me Ayush from Techinal AB Unboxing YouTube channel. So guys, basically today in this video I'm here to tell you about my channel. My channel provides tech and unboxing videos, Kinemaster editing tutorials, Pixellab editing tutorials, and more stuff is coming on the way. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. My channel's link is given in this video's description, and also press the bell notification all. So till then, goodbye and see you on my channel.
So yes, you guys have already listened what he said. Go check out his channel. I will give the link in the description box. Subscribe him and support him. Alright, then go to Pixellab and select the image size to YouTube thumbnail. Then from gallery, select the image which you have saved in Kinemaster. Alright. Then we will add some text. Solo Rush. Now here comes the font. Okay, so you have to use a good font. I will be using the PUBG font. I will give the link in the description box. You can download it from there and add the font in Pixellab. Adjust the position. Alright. Then from gallery, add the 𝗟𝗡𝗞𝗦. You can easily get this in Google. You have to search for 𝗟𝗡𝗞𝗦 and you'll get. Alright. Then go to the color filter option. Now here is the main thing. We have to increase the saturation first. Then you have to adjust the hue and the contrast to bring out the red color. Take your time and adjust the hue and the contrast to bring out the red color. Alright. Yeah, you can see the red color is visible now. Alright, this is fine. Now go to the rotate option and rotate it by 15 degrees. Increase the size and position it properly. Alright. Then go to the shadow option, enable it, increase the offset Y to 15, click on the plus and decrease the opacity of the black shadow. Yeah, this is okay. Alright. Now you can add some more text to it, like season or your rank. I will use the Nexa font. You can get the link in description box. Use the relative position tool to align it vertically. Click on the plus and from gallery you can add some logos, your channel logo or PUBG logo. Now here you can see the background is white, so to remove the background we will go to erase color, enable it, and it will automatically remove the white color. Increase the tolerance to 24, 25. Then go to colors and select the white color. Alright. Then decrease the size and place it properly where you want. After this we will do some color grading to it and this will look perfect. Save the image in highest quality, that is ultra quality. Then go to Play Store and search for Adobe Lightroom. Install the application. Then go to gallery and open your image and click on the share option. Now from here select the Lightroom application where you want to share the image. And it will import your image in Lightroom. You can see in the notification bar it is importing the image. Alright, it is done. Click here and it will directly take you to Lightroom. Click on all photos and here you can see all the images which you have imported in Lightroom. So from here select the image. Now here you can get lots of options to edit your image, but for now we'll go to the preset setting. Here you will get few options to edit your image like bright, high contrast and details. But my personal recommendation is the last one, the matte one. The matte finish looks really amazing here. Click on the tick mark. Okay, now we'll do some adjustment to it. Go to the light option. Increase the exposure because I want to bring the red color out, so I'll increase the exposure. Alright. There are so many options like contrast, highlights. I will not change it right now, but yeah, you can just experiment with all this and see. Slightly increasing the black so that I can bring out the red color. I will slightly increase the saturation. And these things are okay, no need to change all these things. Yeah, and slightly increase the noise reduction. It will remove the particle from the backgrounds. Alright, so when you are done, you can save the image or export it. And your thumbnail is ready. So yes, that was a complete video on how you can make a gaming thumbnail, a professional gaming thumbnail without using PS Touch in Pixellab, Kinemaster and in Adobe Lightroom. I really hope you have learned something new from this video. Do comment down what videos you want to see next, and yeah, like the video, subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and follow me on Instagram if you have any questions or doubts. That's all for this video. See you again in the next one.